have been raised, and I think partially there are some sections who believe that we need to be a little more aggressive. There are those who believe that we need to be pacifist. But I believe that in any organization, one should not feel so despondent, because all organizations go through phases. They all go through phases, and this is part of building an organization. So I think we need to be a little more patient and should give hearing to each other's voices, which I find we tend to pull down people if they don't agree with you. So as an organization or as a community, we need to build on that quality. I think as far as I am concerned, I've been looking at Kashmir more on the sidelines, and also the kind of activities people have been doing. I think it's all credit worthy with not really any kind of support material or manpower or resources. We've been able to garner so much support. One thing which I've noticed, because I work in the area of media, I find that when it comes to any kind of critical assessment about the situation in the valley or in J&K, the kind of positioning that the government takes, even NGOs and across the border in Pakistan or across international organizations, bilateral or multilateral, we find that there is a dearth of information which is evidence-based. Mr. Basan, we don't really do very hard work on collecting. I know there are exceptions. There are people who have done a lot of work on our traditions, our literature, but I think as a political party, we need to gather evidence, because I think that's a very critical mass of information which is lacking. We are more emotive people. I think we need to curb that, come out with information, because a lot of discussions center around 47 and onwards. Even if we talk about the separatists, I think we don't really have that kind of know-how about